In this short video, I want to tell you 3 things that you must consider before using the PC version of WhatsApp or the WhatsApp web service. Let's begin. Number 1. It is easy for you to get spied on. WhatsApp Web and the standalone app for the PC run through your smartphone that has WhatsApp installed. This creates a bridge between your phone and the computer you are using. If you take your phone away, WhatsApp stops running on your PC. However, if you choose to keep me signed in, WhatsApp Web or the computer app stores your credentials and can work even if you're away from the PC. So, what does this mean? If you connect to the web service or the PC app from your home computer and choose to allow it to save these credentials, when you are done chatting, WhatsApp remains accessible to anyone using that home PC. If some member of your family, like your wife or husband, gets curious, they now have access to private messages without any trouble. Number 2. The PC version of WhatsApp or WhatsApp Web are vastly more limited than the app you can install on your smartphone. With a limited number of features compared to traditional Android or iPhone versions, you're only getting part of the WhatsApp service you expect. When the developer releases new features for smartphones, those using the web service or the PC app often have to wait several months for the changes to reach them. If they happen at all. People had to wait years for voice call functionality to make it to the PC version. Number 3. You are more distracted when you have WhatsApp accessible on your computer. This is often underestimated, but the PC version can really derail your work and studies aspirations. Thousands of research hours have been spent showing that notifications on your smartphone or PC area are a dangerous and constant hindrance to our brain. They are disruptive to your train of thought, limit your focus, and can even break your willpower to continue. That is all I have for you here. Please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks about WhatsApp and other messaging applications. Visit our website anytime for even more information at messagingappLab.com.